Welcome back, dear students, to my tutorial class on HTML. Well, this is the continuation video lesson. Okay, 2 video lessons were already uploaded. If you have not watched that 2 video lessons, you can please watch it. The link is given in the description here. So this is the 3rd video lesson. So what are we going to study today is the first point, break element. Okay, then second is paragraph element in its attributes. Then the 3rd one, we are going to study horizontal rules and its attributes, and we are going to study the working with text, bold, italic, that is bold, okay, bold, italic and underlined. And next we are going to work with the font tag and its attributes. Okay, and then the last one is what? Strike through text. These points we are going to study today. The first one, let's study with the break, paragraph and line break. The first is break element, that is the BR element. Okay, BR element is used to insert a line break in a document. That is a line break, just a line break in a document. So this is an empty tag. It can be used with no end tag. Okay, you can use it as BR after the line where you want to give a break, where you want to give a break. Okay, so how we write the source code for this? We write like this: HTML, then head comes, then title, then body, then after that my name is ABC. Okay, after this my name is ABC, after this text we want to give a line break, say example. In that case we will write BR. Okay, if we don't want to give line break after this name, we will not give BR. But if we want to give my name is ABC, after that if we want to give a line break, then only we can give BR. Okay, so BR, then I am studying in 10th standard, and after this text also, after this line also, we want to give a line break, say example. In that case we will put BR here. Okay, then the next one is I love to learn HTML codes. This is the 3rd text. Okay, after that body text, closing body, closing head tag and closing HTML tag. So this is the source code for applying line break. So how it looks on the browser screen, I mean how it appears on the browser screen. So on the browser screen it appears like this: my name is ABC. After this the next text will appear, that is I am studying in 10th standard, and after this the next line will appear: I love to learn HTML codes. Okay, just between this text, okay, after this between this text there is just a line break only, I mean just a line break only, right? So this is all about line break. Okay, now we can check the paragraph element, that is paragraph break. Okay, paragraph element, the P tag, that is the P tag is used for indicating a paragraph. Okay, this tag inserts a line break with extra space. Okay, you can align the paragraph to the left, right or center. Okay, by default the alignment is left. Okay, so this is all about paragraph tag. So how we write the source code for this paragraph tag? So we write the source code in a similar fashion here also. We write HTML, then head, then title, then body, then comes my name is ABC. This is the text, then P tag. Okay, after this text we want to give a paragraph tag. Okay, that is why this P tag. Then I am studying in 10th standard. After this again P tag, then I love to learn HTML codes and closing paragraph tag. Okay, closing paragraph tag, then closing body tag, closing head tag, closing HTML tag. Of course this closing paragraph tag is not necessary. Okay, it is not necessary, but we should remember that this paragraph P tag, it is also not an empty tag. Okay, it is not an empty tag, it is an container tag actually, so we should just give closing tag P. Okay, so now on the browser screen, how it appears on the browser screen, my name is ABC, and after that you just observe this one, I am studying in 10th standard. Between these tags there is a big space, right? Extra space is there, right? Yes or no? Extra space, and just between this extra space is there. Within this each text, text or letter sentence, there is an extra space. Okay, this extra space is the paragraph break. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay, next let us go to the attributes of paragraph element. We have different attributes, we have types of attributes. So let's see, paragraph can be aligned to the left, center or right. So we can align to the left, right or center this paragraph. Okay, by default, this is by default, the paragraph starts from the left of the web page. Okay, so by default the paragraph starts from the left of the web page. Okay, the following attributes can be used with P tag. What are the attributes we can use with this P tag? The attributes we can use is center. This center attribute starts from the center of the web page. Okay, how we write the source code to apply the center paragraph? We write attributes in a similar fashion here also. We write like this: HTML, okay, then comes head, then comes title, then comes body. Now you see P align equal to center. So we are telling the browser to display the text, okay, to display the text on the center of this screen. So P align equal to center. Okay, whatever the text will come now will appear, will type in the body. Whatever the text will type here in the body will appear on the center of the screen. That is, my name is ABC, then okay, BR, then I am studying in 10th standard. Okay, these are the text. Now closing text, body, closing text, all this closing text. Now on the browser screen, how it appears? It appears like this: my name is ABC, I am studying in 10th standard, I love to learn HTML. All these are center alignment, right? These are center alignment. So like this, text will appear on the browser screen. This is the center. Now that another attribute, the another attribute of this P tag is, what is that? Right. Okay, this right. Now what is this? The right attribute starts the paragraph from the right of the browser of the web page, that is right sides. You just look this part, right? Okay, just look at this alignment. This is this type of alignment. This type of alignment is called right alignment. So this is right aligned. Okay, right attribute aligns of the will appear on the browser on the page, I mean on the page. Okay, so how we write the source code here also? P align equal to right. Only the changes here we can write here: P align equal to right. So it means that we are telling the browser to display the text, to display this text, to display all this text, right? To display all this text from the right, okay, on the right of the web page. Okay, so I hope you understood. Next is the horizontal rules. What is this horizontal rules? Horizontal rules are the lines which are used to identify a particular section of text and improve the design of the document. Okay, the text HR is used for horizontal rule. This is an empty tag. Now remember that this is an empty tag. So empty tag means single tag, right? So when we apply or when we write the HR tag, closing tag is not required. Okay, so closing tag is not required in empty tag. So that is why it is an empty tag. So the attributes of HR tag, that attributes of HR tag are color, size and width. So these are the attributes of what? Color, size, and width. These are the attributes of HR text. So how we write the source code to apply the horizontal rules? Say example, if we want to apply or write, if we want to give a horizontal rule in our web page designing, so how we can use this horizontal rule in our web page designing? So we write the source code in this fashion. HTML, then comes head, then comes title, then comes body. Now you see, welcome to my page, welcome to my web page. This is the text, okay? This is the text that will appear on the web browser. Then comes HR. It means the first text will appear, welcome to my page. Just below that, a horizontal line will appear on the browser screen. We are telling the browser to display the horizontal line, right? By applying this HR tag. So HR, then comes my name is, okay, all this text, okay. After this text, closing tag, body tag, closing tag, head, closing tag, and this is how it appears on the browser. On the browser it appears like this. Welcome to my page, okay, welcome to my page. Then you just see a horizontal line is appearing here, and then the text, and then the attributes are also used. Now these attributes are also used. These are the attributes of horizontal rules. What are the attributes of horizontal rules, if the question is asked? So the attributes of horizontal rules are, you can write color, size, width. These are the attributes. So all these attributes, three attributes of horizontal rules, okay, color, size, and width. This is used here. See, HR, this is the HR is the tag here, and then the see, color is red, okay, color is red, width is 200, and size is 3. So we are telling the browser with all these attributes, we are using all these attributes of HR tag. We are telling the browser to display the horizontal line, horizontal rule. So horizontal rule is appeared here on the browser, web browser. Color is, we are telling the browser to display in red color, so red color is displaying here. Width is 200, so 200 width will appear on the screen. Size is 3, so according to this width and size, okay, this width and size is not exactly here on this screen, but it will display on the browser screen. When you run the file or text, I mean when you run the file on the browser, the width and size will display according to the is specified here as according to the width and size that we mentioned here in the code. Okay, so only you have to refer to the point to the code only, how we are using the attribute and then the code. So this is how we apply the horizontal rule. Now we can check working with text. How there are different methods of working with text. The first one, B and closing tag, B text, or, okay, this is or, strong and closing tag, strong text. These texts are used to create bold. Okay, remember, bold text. Say example, if you want to create a bold text, then you can apply either B or either this one, either the B this one, either this one or strong and strong, okay, to create a bold text. Okay, and likewise here also italic. Say example, if you want to create italic, okay, I and this closing tag, I tags are used to create italics text. Okay, likewise U and U, this is U opening closing tag, U tags are used to underline text. Then strike and this closing tag, strike tags are used to cross. This one is to cross out the text. To cross out the text means, say example this underlines, or say example this working with text. Now we want to cross this working with text, something like this. See, like this is crossed, we call it cross. cross the text with the strike tag like this. This is the example of to cross the text. Okay, so how we apply the text for how we write the source code for this. We write the source code in a similar fashion here also. HTML head, then title, then body, then comes B. Now we check here. B, my name is ABC, closing tag B. It means that we are telling the browser to display this text. My name is ABC. We are telling the browser to display this text in bold face, the bold letter. Okay. Then comes BR. Then I am starting in 10 standard. Now after that standard, you just look this standard before and after this standard. Before and after this one we have applied strike and strike. It means that we are telling the browser to strike this standard like this. Strike the text, crossed out the text and display the text class. We are telling the browser to strike out the text, okay, with this tag. Okay, next comes BR. Then now we are applying here I and U. See, I is italic and U is underlined, and I love to learn HTML codes. This text, I love to learn HTML codes. This text, I love to learn HTML codes, will appear in italic as well as this text will appear underlined. This text will underline. Underline means, say example, this one, working with text. We want to underline it. How it appears? It appears like this. This is underlined. Text is underlined, right? This is the example of underlined. Okay, so we are telling the browser to underline this text. I love to learn HTML codes. We are telling the browser to underline it, as well as we are telling it to italic this text. Okay, so this is how we write the source code. And closing tag head, body, all this closing text, and how it appears on the browser screen. It appears on the browser screen like this. See, my name is ABC, bold letter. Okay, and you see I am studying in 10th standard, crossed out the text. Okay, strike, right? Yes or no? The text, this text is strike out, right? Then comes, see, I love to learn HTML codes. This text is italic. Then the rest of the text, just look at this text. I love to learn HTML codes is italic, and underline is underline also, right? Underline and italic also, because of the tag that we have applied here. Okay, so this is how it appears like this on the browser screen. Okay, so this is how we work with the text. So now the next is font tag and its attributes. Font tag and its attributes. The font tag is used to change the color, size and style of a text. So the font tag is what? The font tag is used to change the color, size and style of a text. The attributes are, okay, the attributes are color, size and face. Face means the styles of writing. Say examples, we can see the in an invitation card or birthday card, okay, or wedding card, the letter of writing is styles, writing the letters in styles. Okay, so that one we used face. We call it face. Writing in a stylish word or text is a face. Okay, so color, so font tag is used to change the what? Color, size and style of a text. That is color, size and face. So how we write the source code for this one also? We write in a similar fashion here also for the what? Font tag. HTML, first comes HTML, then head, then title, then body. Now you see font color. Okay, just look at this one. Font color equal to blue. We are telling the browser to display the text my name is ABC in blue color. Okay, blue color, and as well as in size also 5. Always remember that the font size comes with 7 size, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You can apply any one of these. So by default the font size is 3. Okay, if you don't mention the font size, the browser will display default font size, that is 3. But if you mention according to the size of the font, it will display on the browser. You are telling the browser to display the font size 5. So according to the size of this font size 5, the text "my name is ABC" will appear on the browser screen. And then the face, see, now this face is the style. As I've said, face is Lucida handwriting, the name of the font. We have to specify the name of the font. There are many fonts, okay, there are thousands, many fonts are there. So all any font names we can mention it. We can mention it 2-3 fonts also. There is no problem. One font I have mentioned, comma, after that comma, then after that we can mention 2-3 font names also. So when the browser try to find out the first font, if the first font is not available in the user browser, in the user computer, okay, it means in the user computer that the browser try to find out the other fonts. Okay, if we specify 2-3 fonts, but if we don't specify specify the 2-3 fonts, only if we specify the only one font, the browser will display in one font. But if the one font is not found, the browser will display in default font face. Okay, but this Lucida handwriting is a common font that is available in all the computers. Okay, so this is the source code that is how we write for the font. Okay, font color equal to blue, the size is 5. We are telling the size is 5, and face is, that is the style of writing of text is, face is Lucida handwriting. As I've said, Lucida handwriting is the name of the font. Okay, then comes the text, then closing text font. See here, closing text font. Okay, here closing text font. So after that, this BR, and then I am studying in 10th standard, and BR, then I love to learn HTML codes, and closing tag body tag, closing tag head tag, closing tag HTML tag. All these tags are closed. Now how it appears on the browser screen. See, on the browser screen it appears like this: my name is ABC. See, in different, okay, in not different, in Lucida handwriting. This type of writing is called Lucida handwriting. Okay, then I love to I'm studying in 10th standard, and then I love to learn HTML codes. Now what is this? It means that okay, the rest of the font, just look at this font. The my name is ABC is different than the rest of the font. Why? Because we have applied for this font only. My name is ABC. For this font only we have applied the tag. We did not apply the tag for these two sentences. I am studying in 10th standard and I love to learn HTML codes. We did not apply it for this, and that is why these two text is remain as default. Okay, the browser will display default, but but this text is displaying in different, because we have applied text code for this. So this is how we can work on with the font tag, and then the attributes of the font tag are used. Okay, attributes of the font tag are used, and then this is how it appears on the browser screen also. Okay, so I hope you have understood, and then thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much.